Have you ever talked about the meaning of your life? The value of your achievements, the real purpose of your daily activity and routine? When I dive into my routine, my job, I was trying to make best of it, only for short-term goal. However, when I take my time to pause for a while, I was puzzled. What is the value of all those things that I've done up till now? Am I only do it like a lion looking for food every day only to survive? Or I truly live my life to the fullest as a human and spiritual being? Well, in this moment of life, the moment of short escape like this, it has truly helped me to look for a bigger picture. I realize I'm living with my friends, even though we have different paths, but somehow all of those things are related to each other in a way we don't truly understand yet. And I do believe there is not only one right way to live this life, because our life is much bigger than we thought it is.
Take a trip to the sea. Let your hair run free. Or you're a rebel in disguise. Is that the devil in your eyes? We fell in love right by the ocean. Made out of glass down on the side. Your body, this is more than I can take. You're the fruit that I can taste. You only seek what you give away. You'll only speak what you wanna say. You lay like a warrior. I'll make you shake like a better girl. We fell in love right by the ocean. Made all our plans down on the side. We fell in love right by the ocean. Made all our plans down on the side. We fell in love right by the ocean. Made all our plans down on the side. We fell in down on the side. Take a trip
DCN Forest. Paten. DCN capek. amazing, seru lah, mantap,
Mantap.
luar biasa.
Keren banget deh acaranya, penampilannya, wah bagus banget, gak nyangka acaranya bisa begini.
Tunggu acara selanjutnya.